So now we will move on to the angels. We have 25 angels. The first angel of Kabbalah is Vehuya. I prefer to keep angels all females, but sometimes you need to keep the male image also. Don't go for the image which you see here. I have just picked up some images, but angels can be female or male. You cannot say that one particular angel is a female and one particular angel is a male. You cannot say like that, because angels take any form. They can come as a male and they can come as a female also. In my case, I love to see angels in female form, so I normally keep female. But as this is the starting of the class and it is mentioned as he in many places, so I have kept a male angel here. So let's see what are the functions of this angel, this particular angel who is the first angel of Kabbalah. Vehuya is the one you call to remove any past life karma, or even this life, present life. If you have done any harm to somebody, that will come back to you. So to remove that is, you can use the help of Vehuya. Suppose you are doing some work, you are trying something. So many people are there like that they have a lot of things which are stuck. They're not moving forward. Everything is clear, but whatever they do is not moving forward, or it's not giving a positive outcome. So in that case, there is always a possibility that there might be a karmic block there, a karmic debt there, or something they have done previously in this life is wrong and should not be done like that, and it has its negative effects. For these negative effects to be removed, you call upon Vehuya. Okay, we have all these spell classes and all that, so a lot of people come to us to do spell work, like, for good things. Spells does not mean evil. So those who are new here, please understand that spells are like a puja, like, you help somebody by doing a kind of ritual. For some people, whatever ritual you do, whatever spell you cast, whatever good you do, it does not affect. There is no effect. In such cases, it is assumed that there is a karmic debt which does not allow anything positive to happen to that person. So even for marriage issues, like somebody wants a spell for a marriage and they tried many times with many people, yet it does not work. Why it does not work is because there is a karmic debt. So normally what I do is, whenever I advise somebody to do a spell, I tell them, do a check first. Like, if you have any karmic debts or anything like that, any blockages, we will check that first. And if it is clear, only then we will do the spell. Otherwise, you do first the clearing of the debt and the clearing of the blockage, and then you proceed on to the spell. Only then it will work. So this is how it works. So this situation is removed with the help of Kabbalic angel Vehuya.